Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create time block template in Coda. So if you signed up to Coda and in your free workspace, you can create new document. Now here I'm going to start blank document. So the reason I'm using blank and not existing template is because I want to start from scratch, right? So here you can use time block tracker as title. Then I can use this slash and then table. Right now here you can remove any existing tables you want, right? So it will guide you on how to use these tables, right? So here just type the header as time log, right? You can even remove these options as well, right? For now what I can do, I can remove these default columns, right? And then we will start from new columns. So first being the date, we can even make the type date. So going to date, and here we can also use date time, but for now let's stick with date. Next column we want to use title as work description, right? And third being your start time, then fourth being end time. Sorry, you'll have to double click on this, otherwise it will go to other places, right? Next we will also add duration, right? And we will be calculating that duration with the formula, right? So work description, we can take it here. Then start time, we will use column type with date, and here we will use time, right? Then end time, again column time, date, and then time. Then duration, which has to be a formula, right? So column type, then you can go to formula, and here your end time minus start time, right? And then you are good to go. Okay, now what we can do is we can start with the date. Let's say today's date, and then we have some tasks like editing content. We started on say 9 o'clock. End time is 1:30, and the duration is 4 hours 30 minutes. Now you can beautify the time block tracker. Let's say duration, we can format this to say green, right? Then you have start time, we will use conditional format, use simple yellow color. Then here again conditional format for end time, use a bit reddish color if you want, or orange, right? And then finally we have duration. We can make our work column bluish, right? So let's go with that. Okay, finally I can make my date column in slightly gray color, and we are good to go. Sorry, I have to check again, right? So we'll do that later. But apart from that, we got our time lock tracker with the color code, as well as our calculation column, start and time, work and date. So this is pretty much a good tracker for you to follow, right? So you can do this in Coda yourself as well.